Hi, this is Rory Singh from the PowerhouseMarketer.com. Today I just want to talk about the KIBO code. Get into a quick review here, nuts and bolts review. Going to find out the cost of the product, who are the founders, what exactly can the system do for you, who should buy this product, who should get involved with the system, right? All the meat and potatoes we're going to get into just a moment. Before I get started, I want to let you know up front, I'm not an affiliate of the KIBO code who's trying to sell it to you. I'm just giving you a quick, unbiased review. The system itself, before I even get started with this review of KIBO code, it looks okay. Okay, it looks okay, like an okay system. And I'm going to tell you exactly why I think it's okay. Another note, if you are an affiliate marketer looking for ways to increase your income, increase your skill set, even the guys who are marketing KIBO code know how to do marketing, know how to generate their own traffic. They are the people who have learned even the skill sets of influence, etc. And if that's you right now, powerful system underneath this video. First link in the description. The second link in the description will be a blog review of this KIBO code. So let's get right into it. So I'm a non-affiliate, and I'm just going to give you the information here, unbiased information. I went around and reviewed other reviewers' reviews on the KIBO code, and most of that information out there is sugar-coated information. So I'm just going to give you straight up information here, since I don't have any monetary gain to put sugar and spice on it. So the system itself is created by two gentlemen, a guy by the name of Aidan Booth and another guy by the name of Stephen Clayton. I did some digging around, poking around, due diligence, and research on both of these gentlemen. Apparently, they are very well known in this make money online industry, particularly around the area of drop shipping. Back when they became, before they became successful online as drop shippers, they had jobs, right? Both of them had jobs, family lives, etc. And they started a little side hustle. And the side hustle was, how to sell, e-commerce, etc., drop shipping, etc. And they figured out how to start getting their businesses going, and eventually, lo and behold, their e-commerce businesses both started taking off, and they started making more money with their side hustle. I'm thinking this is a good point to make, since a lot of you guys who are going to watch this video most likely are hoping to do the same. So the side hustle eventually started making a lot more than their full-time jobs. So the only thing logically for them to do was to quit their jobs and, pump into the business 100%. So this system here is based on their experience, their skill sets, their strategies that they themselves have used in order for them to get the results that they have been getting. They eventually became millionaires. So what they are teaching, if it is the same exact strategies that they use, it will be some powerhouse stuff. Okay, so they became millionaires with e-commerce. So awesome story here. Now, this system, the KIBO code, it's based from an idea back in Japan. That's why they got that word KIBO in it. In Tokyo, there was a store, and it's still in existence today, a brick and mortar business. And with that business, the owners learned quickly how to figure out what products were movers and shakers, basically, and what products didn't move, what products people didn't want to buy. So in essence, they learned what products were being purchased and they learn how to put those products more in front of the faces, and more importantly, the eyeballs of the customers. And they learned how to get rid of the other product line that wasn't bringing them into revenue. So that, in a nutshell, is the idea of how to make money online. If you have a product currently and you can learn how to put it in front of people, hopefully you've got a product and a system that actually has demand, that people would actually take out their credit card and buy online from you. So, in a quick nutshell, making money online, especially with affiliate marketing, is learning how to place your products of value, hopefully they have value in it, and in front of the right people who would actually take out their credit cards and buy your stuff, right? If you learn how to do these things and you learn how to do it cost effectively, meaning you bring the costs of advertising down, right? Your profit margin will soar. That's why you see some people making millions online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so back to the story. Aiden and Steve created this course now, and it's called the KIBO Code, an 8-week course, and its official launch date is January 28, 2020. Currently, I went to that page, the main website, and they seem to be having people on a waiting list. Okay, sometimes that could be a marketing tactic, right, to create more urgency, get you on the waiting list, etc. That's a video for another day. But what this is an 8-week course. Cost of this course we'll get into in just a moment. Now, in a nutshell, another nutshell here, this is an idea and a system. The system, according to the system founders, is supposed to put money in your pocket, and it's supposed to be a system that's done for you. In essence, a done-for-you e-commerce business. Now, some of you guys may say, well, there's so many of these things around. Okay, so I've got nothing to gain whether you get started with them or not, since I'm not marketing this. But the spin or twist on this one, on the KIBO Code, is they're claiming you don't need any inventory, you don't have to do any customer service, no stockpiling of products, no Facebook advertising. Okay, and how does this work? Okay, so now I'm telling you what I told you what it is. A system that's supposed to be, since it's not launched, we're going to have to do another review after it launches. But pretty well, this video sums up what this system is all about. Okay, even if you come after the launch date and you visit this video and you see my mug here, the information here is pretty well what is in the system and product. Okay, now some of you guys might be thinking of clicking the back button. You think you understand everything. You don't understand everything yet. There is a twist on this. Do you want to know what the twist is? I thought you'd stick around. Okay, so there is a twist, and every time there's a twist, even in a movie, it makes things a little bit more interesting, doesn't it? Okay, so I did a review, and this ties right into this review today. Yesterday, I did a review on a system called 9 University, and that system was an Amazon FBA affiliate course. It was a powerful course. It was like a 180 video course on 2 other millionaires on how they became Amazon FBA affiliates. Now, for those of you who don't know what an FBA affiliate is, it's Amazon fulfillment centers, the ability to find the right products, right? Good sellers, and that are converting very well. Hopefully you guys understand this terminology. You need to understand that word, conversions. So finding those products and shipping them to Amazon fulfillment centers, right? And in that other course, you're going to have to do some legwork, right? And it would be the legwork of finding the right products. They teach you how to do it in that other course, 9 University, okay? But you still have to find the products, and you got to stockpile the products, and it's okay because the products, if you follow it right, correctly, your products will sell. If you pick the right products, you ship it to Amazon fulfillment centers, and Amazon takes care of everything else. The customers' orders through the websites. They're going to ship the stuff out. They're even going to do customer service. They're going to take care of refunds, etc. The only thing you got to do is find the products and market the products. Okay, Amazon's doing everything else. Now with the KIBO code, the twist on the KIBO code is they're saying that you can still make money online as a drop shipper without drop shipping. I know there's other courses that I've heard of, another system called DS Domination back in the past that actually worked. I wasn't an affiliate, but I knew some affiliates who made a lot of money with that system. Okay, now the twist here with the KIBO code is they're claiming that you also don't need China. You don't need Amazon to make money with this drop shipping system called the KIBO code. Okay. So how does this work? How does this work, baby? You go through, you purchase the product, first of all. You get started with the system. Okay. In the system, there's going to be a step-by-step guide. There's going to be training. Okay. They're claiming that the creators of KIBO code are claiming that you could set up your system and be up and running within 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. Okay. And you don't even need Amazon, and you don't need China as a manufacturer. Okay. Is that a good idea or a bad idea? I don't know. I bought this phone that I'm holding here, that I'm doing this review with right now, makes me money. And the battery, I had to order a battery from China through Amazon last week. And this weekend, I'm going to change the battery in this real smartphone, because it's a real smartphone, because it actually is so smart that I make money with it. Okay, but the battery came from China. So with the KIBO code here, I don't know how the hell they're going to pull this off. Okay, but how this works, this is probably what you want to stick around for. So once you go through the training, go through the steps, there's going to be automation tools. Now the software itself, there's a software built into the system, and it shows you how to pull data and pick the right. So it runs an automation, and it's going to pull you the right type of products that will sell based on what the founders are claiming. They claim that their software is going to pull you products that sell, hot seller, and then using the automated tools built into the system, you can grab those products and put them onto your e-commerce website. Okay. And once you do that, US-based drop shippers are going to ship those products to your customers. Okay, that sounds kind of similar to what another MLM company called DS Domination did in the past, and it actually did work. A lot of people made money with that system. Okay, so the cost for the KIBO code now, $3,497. Okay. So let me get to a quick conclusion here. This system, the founders are credible. They're credible guys, and they have credibility based around the idea of drop shipping and e-commerce. Guys who are very well known in that area, in that respects to making money online. So the founders are solid. Um, the system itself, if it can do what they claim it can do by taking out the human element part of it, then a lot of people who are looking for a done-for-you e-commerce system, are going to be shit happy, right? But here's the thing: the only little gray area that I'm seeing here. I did a review. I just spoke about it earlier in this video, and in that review, I was claiming that the other system, Nine University, you can go look that up on YouTube. You can even see it on my channel. I did a really cool review about Nine University. There are people who took that course and they're actually stockpiling products and they're using Amazon, FBA, Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon, and the graduates of that course, and they shipped products to the fulfillment center, and a good portion of them fired their bosses. Okay. Now the gray area that I'm seeing with this one here, it's claiming that you don't have to do the legwork, right? So I like what they're promising, but I can't really give you a good verdict if I, recommend it or I don't recommend it. We're gonna just have to wait and see a little while after January 28 and see what kind of results the affiliates of the KIBO code are going to be getting. But it looks like a nice idea, right? But still, the gray area that I don't know about is I'm thinking even making money online here as an affiliate marketer, right? I go out there, I put myself out there every single day. I'm out there creating content, creating traffic, and then there's paid advertising marketers. I call them paid marketers. They go out there, they're successful. I'm talking about successful people here online. They go out there, they learn ads, they run ads successfully, but they're out there constantly doing the legwork, right? Even if you're running paid advertising. At the end of the day, even with the KIBO code, in order to succeed with the KIBO code, using the system as a drop shipper, yes, the system seems to be done for you according to Aiden Booth and Stephen Clayton, the founders, right? But still, it's up to you at the end of the day to get traffic to the thing, to your products, to your e-commerce store. So you're still going to be faced with some legwork, okay? But I don't like the gray area here. To get to my punchline, I don't like the idea really of a system claiming that it's doing everything for you, right? I rather, if I was I'm not going to get into I don't think I'm going to get into drop shipping, right? But it is a lucrative industry. Right now, there is room for growth, but a lot of people are looking at jumping onto the bandwagon. The good news with drop shipping is that most people won't follow through. So if you are the type of person that will actually follow through, if you can run traffic into any system, okay, you're going to be the guy or girl that's going to be making the ka-ching ka-ching. Now, with drop shipping, I rather Nine University, where they're actually teaching you and telling you, hey, you're going to have to buy products, you're going to have to stockpile them, you're going to use Amazon. If I was going to get into drop shipping, I'd rather use Amazon personally. So these are some of the ideas that I'm hoping that will, even draw some questions for yourself, because if it's fire your boss and replace your income that you're after, these are some very important ideas for you to start asking yourself, right? Most people don't know what they don't even know. I heard a few guys say that a few years ago. What does that mean? Quickly before I go, most people don't even know. The great majority of people who are trying to make money online have a job, have an employee mindset that they're stuck in, right? You have to kind of graduate from that into an entrepreneurial mindset. But most people just don't even know what to look for in a legitimate business. They don't even know what kind of questions to be asking. Okay. So anyways, this concludes my KIBO code. It looks like a decent system, but I can't really recommend the system until we see some numbers after it's officially launched. Okay. And as I said, there is a gray area, and I'm thinking that gray area is, I don't think personally if you can get out of the legwork. Yes, the Aiden and Steven are claiming that all you got to do is follow. They're going to give you some resources to traffic. That's another thing I didn't mention. They're claiming that they're going to give you traffic resources, right? It's still, it comes down to you as a marketer to learn traffic. Even if you were going to use Amazon, or if you're not going to use Amazon, hopefully you're following me here right now. You still got to learn how to do the marketing part of that. Okay, so that's my conclusion with the KIBO code. Now, for those of you who are still here after 21 minutes, and if let's say you're still looking for, by all means, join the KIBO code when it comes out. There's going to be all kinds of affiliates out there sharing their links. But here, powerful system underneath this video. The reason it's my #1 recommended opportunity is because I myself am a product of the product. It taught me, the system owner's teachings, lower below, has taught me how to put myself out there, how to do advertising. Right now I'm doing 100% organic traffic. I also have experience as a paid advertiser, but currently I'm just using 100% organic traffic, and I'm seeing pretty good conversions. So I'm a product of the product. System owner lower below, he can even help you. Even if you wanted to learn, if you wanted to get into drop shipping, let's say you wanted to market, be a drop shipper using the KIBO code, or whether you partnered up with another system and maybe you are not yet seeing the type of results that you want, the system lower below can help you get to where you want to go. System founders coached over 300,000, I think it's like 500,000 students currently, up to now, me being one of them successfully. Okay, I can even share some results that I'm getting after you take the first step. There is a video, and you will get redirected to that video immediately. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care.